morning. It is Friday, the start of a new weekly vlog technically because it ended yesterday. But I had a lot of fun last week and so we're going to do it for at least one more week and then we'll take a break. Today, a random shoot in Fawkner. Where the hell is Fawkner? I don't know. Going there. Yeah, going to Echuca tonight, so this weekend is going to be nice. Yeah, that's fun. It's an azure kingfisher. Wow, it's beautiful.
Wow. You like more? Which animal?
I like
the fish or the fucking.
Yeah. Alright, we're in Echuca, going for a run right now before everyone wakes up. It is beautiful. I've been to Barma for a school camp before, but I haven't like really explored Echuca, so I'm quite excited actually to go and see what's up. Embarrassing. All right, swing time.
Here in the bush, and we've found our first piece of grub.
For 2 weeks straight.
Rachel's about to take the first bite.
And then I cut. Then I use my special effects. Oh.
Oh no!
And then I rip it out. Oh my god. Oh, red belly boy. Red belly? Alright, my mic is flat apparently, so I'm hoping this sounds alright. But we just finished work, super solid day, 3 shoots. Second shoot was a food shoot, which is always good because you get to eat the food. So I actually got to try Burmese food, which is new to me, and that was really awesome. So super pumped with that. And then, you know, the drill, went to a cafe, do some filing, then headed to the MCG to help another photographer hold the lights. He was taking a shot of a Carlton and Richmond player because they're facing off this Thursday. Which I'm also going to be shooting for, so that's going to be exciting. I'll take you there. Anyway, finished off, filed after that. Boom, I'm on the road. I'm going to the Dandenongs now because I'm going to go do a day hike there because I want to make the most of this weather. Look at this. Yeah, I did. Yeah. $6.3K, 2 hours and 15 minutes.
Delivering the lemons, turn the bittersweet.
What up?
Life delivering the lemon sweet. Slice a little, brew a lemon tea. Let it breathe, time delivering the remedy.
Hello. Do you want to say something? Do you want to say something to the people? Oh my gosh, hello. Hello, it is Friday at about 12:30. I haven't started yet. I've got a late start, starting at 2 because I had a late night at the footy last night. I did my first ever AFL game. Super fun. So hard though. Doing the footy is hard. The field is massive, the play is erratic, and you're stuck with a long lens, and suddenly your lens isn't long enough, but then boom, they're in front of you and your lens is too long. Yeah, so lots to learn. I met a lot of people, AFL photographers, they gave me some tips. It was really cool to see, how they work. Massive respect for AFL photographers. It's way harder than it looks, trust me. It's nothing like the other sports I've done, like tennis. Take me back to the Australian Open, that was easy. God, you just photograph one player, it goes 1 to 1 to 1, it's so predictable. You can see the whole court, you're from the concourse. Anyway, I can go on for ages. Footy is hard, it was lots of fun. I've got a ground pass this year, so I'm gonna bloody use it and get better at AFL photography. That's my goal. So apart from that, I'm going to log my Ks because the fuel prices are fucking crazy at the moment. $258 for fuel. Paid $30 and got about 150 Ks in my tank. What? Anyway. Yep, and then we'll head to work, and that's about it. And then we'll enjoy the weekend, because it is Friday. You wouldn't believe what job I'm doing right now. Another suburb profile. I'm telling you, suburb profiles are my calling. I think the other photographers just don't like doing them, and I don't mind, so I just get all of them. Today we're in Somerville. Somerville? We're in Somerville. And we gotta go take quite a few photos, so let's go do that. For this part of the job, I have to take a photo of this big apple. And everyone is walking by and they're just looking at me like, what the fuck are you doing with a long lens? It was just any sort of camera. taking a picture of this apple. Like I'm getting stared at right now, and I feel so stupid because I have to. Like everyone's like double taking. They're looking at me and they're like, "What are you taking a photo of?" This big apple, the famous big apple of Somerville. That's just part of the job. Anyway, I think we're about done in Somerville. Or Somerville. Keep saying it wrong. Or like, always talk about it.
I told her relax. You might as well relax. Oh my fucking God.